One of the most significant challenges faced by the city is rapid urbanization. With increasing population, cities struggle with overcrowding, limited housing, and trade public services, making it difficult to maintain a high quality of life. Another major issue is traffic congestion. As city grow, the number of vehicles increases, leading to heavy traffic, air pollution, which negatively affect public health and productivity. Economic inequality and unemployment are also prevalent challenges. Many cities have a large gap between the rich and the poor, causing social instability and making it difficult for lower income citizens to access opportunities. Climate change is another critical concern. Coastal cities face rising sea level while extreme weather events and resource shortage threaten the sustainability of urban life. Adapting to globalization and technology. Globalization and technological advancement required cities to adapt quickly. Smart urban development and sustainable initiatives are necessary to remain competitive on a global scale. As the capital city, Manila plays a crucial role in the nation's economy, serving as a central hub for finance, trade, commerce, and tourism. The city hosts the headquarters of major banks, multinational corporations, and financial institutions, making it the backbone of the country's economic activities. With its strategic location and well-developed infrastructure, Manila facilitates both domestic and international trade, with ports handling a significant portion of the country's imports and exports. Manila is also the seat of government. It houses national institutions responsible for policy making and governance, shaping the direction of the entire country. Corruption in the Philippines has been a long-standing issue that affects governance, economic growth, and social development. It is deeply rooted in political system, public institution, and even private sector, creating a widespread inefficiency, injustice, and property. Beyond economics and governance, Manila holds immense cultural and historical value, serving as a living testament to the Philippines' rich and diverse heritage. The city is home to iconic landmarks such as Intramuros, the historic walled city that reflects the country's colonial past, and Rizal Park, a national symbol of freedom and patriotism dedicated to Dr. Jose Rizal. This site not only preserves history but also educate future generation about the struggles of the Filipino people. Manila cultural vibrancy is further highlighted by its numerous museum, theater, and art galleries, such as National Museum Complex, the Cultural Center of the Philippines, and the Metropolitan Museum of Manila, which showcase tradition and contemporary Filipino arts, music, and literature. The city is also a melting pot of a diverse traditional with influence from indigenous Spanish, Chinese, and American cultures, blending seamlessly into its daily life. Climate change is another critical concern that significantly impact the Philippines, particularly its coastal city, which are increasingly vulnerable to rising sea levels. The rising waters threaten to submerge low-lying communities, displacing thousands of residents and leading to economic and infrastructural losses. The country frequently experiencing extreme weather events such as typhoons, heavy rainfall, which not only endanger lives but also disrupt agriculture, fisheries, and essential industries. The depletion of natural resources, deforestation, and water shortage, making it increasingly difficult to sustain urban life. Without urgent and comprehensive climate adaptation strategies, the Philippines will continue to face environmental degradation, food insecurity, and heightened risk to public health and safety.